Ted's group buy wheel came in today. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. I've never unboxed a set of Enkei wheels before. 360 perfect wheels. Important notice. Wow, I guess I don't know what's so important because it's all in Japanese. Ooh, okay. This is cool. It's clean. It's simple. Why are there holes there? Just to hold it in? So this is the center cap. This is... Whoa. It looks like a flat disc that they just glued. Yeah, this is interesting. Maybe it saves weight. I don't understand this. I'm gonna hold my opinions on this until we actually get this on the car. Then I'll see what I think about it. Did you group buy the tires too?
Yeah, I got this through a group buy. We had to have about 50 people sign up, and we got about $10 off the tires.
So while we put on the group buy wheels, we're also putting on these really cool Project Kicks lug nuts. They're made in Japan. These are what they call a two-piece shell type. This red that you guys see here is actually a shell. It's not the actual lug nut. When you unscrew it, you actually get the real lug nut underneath it, and that's where you have like the teeth. So when you tighten down the wheels, you won't damage these. You keep these looking nice and red and shiny and new all the time because they're not actually getting an impact, and these get hidden.
Pursuing the ultimate engine performance and efficiency.
All right, Ted, why don't you unbox this since this is yours?
Okay.
Was this group bought as well?
Yeah, there's still a lot of avid RX7 enthusiasts, so we're always looking for really good deals.
Oh, it's black? That's nice. Oh, it's nice. It's great.
I bet you this has been sitting in the box for 20 years waiting for someone to buy it.
Since my car's 15 years old, when I ordered wheels for it, they've just been sitting in the box for 15 years.
For you?
Yeah, since the car's 15 years old.
This part is iron. It's iron?
Iron. Oh, you know why? Because if not, then you get that little thing that pops up on the screen. It's like, danger to manifold.
Okay, so what are we doing to your car now?
Oh, shit. That's not coming off. Oh. What is this? What the f is this? What the f is that pipe? Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's breaking. It bothers it.
No.
What is that?
Huh? Somebody took a Coke can and... To think you called my E30 a piece of junk. Your exhaust is held on by a zip tie.
Oh my god. Wow, it's so simple, but it's so cool. Carbon fiber muffler. I've never seen a carbon fiber muffler with a titanium exhaust tip. HKS exhaust is going on our RX7 up top. I've seen stainless. I've even seen Inconel. I've never seen carbon fiber before. This is so cool. Love the titanium exhaust tip. What a nice little touch of the blue, purple, and gold.
Day 10 working on this thing.
What do they mean by pivoted?
Why do you keep asking me?
Is this your language?
I thought, how is it my language? Is pivot not a word that we all use?
What do they mean by pivots?
What do you mean by Doma? You know what pivot means.
Dude, what do you think of the muffler?
Like this. Yeah, it looks like some group buy stuff. Ted thought it was a full exhaust, but it's not. So he has to put his factory mid pipe back in until he gets an aftermarket mid pipe in.
There's no fucking way. No, there's no way. So they fuck with us when they make these things. I don't know.
This RX7 project is far from over, but I do want to show you guys what we have so far. We've done a lot of little things like replacing tabs and, you know, light bulbs and stuff like that. So far, the three main things are the tint, the wheels, and the exhaust. The car's been tinted with photo sync all the way around the side, the back, and the front windshield. Nothing but the best for this. The back windows you see is massive, so it does take in a lot of heat, and since it's a small cabin, you feel it fast. 18-inch Enkei wheels in matte gunmetal, tightened down with those really cool red lug nuts that I showed you earlier. Oh, and these little red stickers, yeah, I put them on myself. And last but not least, the HKS carbon fiber muffler, titanium tip exhaust. Project is coming along nicely, but there is a lot more to do, so we will keep working on this.